Hello students, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn here how to subtract rupees and paisa problems. Here we have taken 3 examples and will solve each one of these problems. First one is 83 paisa minus 39 paisa. Here we have to deduct 9 from 3. Is it possible? No, because 3 is less than 9. So what we'll do, we'll borrow 1 from the next place, that means 10th place. So if we take out 1 from 8, 8 will become 7, and 110 if we add with 3, this will become 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. And here 7 minus 3 is 4. So 44 paisa is the answer for this subtraction. Now next problem, 3 rupees 43 paisa minus 1 rupee 7 paisa. Here it is a combination of paisa only. Here it is a combination of both rupees and paisa. In such case, that means where there will be a combination of rupees and paisa, what we'll do, we'll convert them into paisa. So 3 rupees 43 paisa. We know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 3 rupees 43 paisa is equal to 343 paisa. In the same way, 1 rupee 7 paisa, this is equal to 100 paisa plus 7 paisa. That means 107 paisa. Now we have to subtract 107 from 343. So how much we will get? Here 3 is less than 7. So we cannot subtract 7 from 3. So what we'll do? We'll borrow 1 from the next place. So 4 will become 3 here, and 3 here will become 13. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Now here 3 minus 0, that is 3, and here 3 minus 1 is 2. So 236 paisa is the answer for this subtraction. Now, so our answer here will be 236 paisa, means this is equal to how much? 2 rupees 36 paisa, right? So our answer here will be 2 rupees 36 paisa. Okay, so this is our answer. Here 2 rupees 36 paisa is the answer for this problem. So let us take one more example. Here 4 rupees 85 paisa. In the same way, we can write it as 485 paisa. 4 rupees 85 paisa is equal to 485 paisa, and here 2 rupees 88 paisa equal to 288 paisa. Now what we'll do, we have to subtract 288 from 485. Here it is 5, here it is 8. So we cannot subtract 8 from 5. So what we'll do, in the same way, we'll borrow 1 from the 10th place. So 8 will become 7 here, and 5 will become 15. So here 15 minus 8 is 7. Here again 8, here it is 7. So we cannot subtract 8 from 7. So we'll borrow 1 from the 100th place. So here 4 will become 3, and 7 will become 17. So 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. And here 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 197 paisa here answer. But we know 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. So 197 paisa is equal to 1 rupee 97 paisa, right? So this will be the answer. So our answer here will be 1 rupee 97 paisa. So this is the answer. So here we have solved these 3 problems. Please do practice more such problems at home. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you everybody.